Hi everyone, we are Kanji Master. Learning new languages has become one of the world's most popular hobbies, and recently Chinese and Japanese stand out thanks to their rich cultural influence through things like anime, cooking, drama, and more. However, one of the biggest challenges for learners, especially learners in the West, is mastering the writing system, especially complex Chinese or kanji characters. That's why we created our Kanji Learning app, an interactive web and mobile experience designed to make writing Chinese and Japanese characters intuitive, fun, and gamified. It turns the most difficult part of learning these languages into an engaging and rewarding journey. Our app allows users to learn both kanji and Chinese characters, which are grouped together by JLPT and the HSK proficiency systems. We also provide a stroke order guide or animation, and we also have an AI evaluation of drawn characters to allow users to quickly improve their handwriting skills. For evaluation, although we do not have an industry sponsor, we still have tested our app with multiple language professors and native speakers and writers after each iteration. And after each iteration, we gather all their feedback and we modify our app accordingly to address these issues. And here is our live demo. All right, so this is our application, and this is the homepage of our application. So you can click play now to start for the first time, and we can continue with Google, or you can continue as a guest. But I will continue with Google because I want to keep my progress saved. And when you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter a username and the language you want to study. We have Chinese and Japanese so far, and you don't have to worry about sticking to one right now because you can always change it later. So after you complete your profile, you're taken to the play page where we have various different characters which are grouped by the JLPT system. So on N4, we have all these characters here. And when you do decide to want to draw a character, you can click the play button and you can see how the character is drawn. So I'll try drawing the character Winter now based on the stroke order provided. And then we will get an AI evaluation on our handwriting. So here I've drawn it pretty good according to the model, and it gives us some feedback that we can improve for later. And you can see I also got some points. All right, so in addition to the standard mode, we also have a test mode. So this is when you think you've mastered all the characters in the current difficulty category. You can go to the test mode, and you have 40 seconds to write 5 characters, 5 random characters. All right, so that's the play page, and we can see our progress by going to the scoreboard right here. And you can click on your own name or your username, and then you can see all your stats, and you can also edit your profile and change the language that you want to study to. In addition, we also have a dictionary page where you can see all the characters according to each category for both Chinese and Japanese. We can also change our language to Chinese so we can see what that looks like. So we can go to the scoreboard and we click our profile to edit our language, or we can just go to the top right and click profile to edit our language there. So I'll change my language to Chinese. And then now when we go to the play page, we can see that it's not JLPT anymore, but it's HSK. And we can also see all the characters associated with each difficulty level. So we can try one like 100. We can click the play button to see the stroke order, and we can try drawing it for ourselves after. All right, and here's what the model says. It thinks that I can improve upon my drawing, and if I do, I'll be able to get more points and go up on the leaderboard. And that's about it.